Hello, my daughter.
Hi, Mom.
I miss you very much. When will you come visit me?
Sorry, Mom. I'm very busy with work.
Even for one day?
Not now, Mom. I'll visit when I have time.
I understand. Goodbye, my love. Hello, my son.
Hi, Mom.
I miss you. Can you come visit me?
Mom, I'm very busy.
Just for a day?
My company needs me. Please don't call so often.
Oh, okay, my son.
Good morning, my loves.
Morning, Mama. Is it morning already?
Yes, my dear. Come here.
I love you, Mama.
Me too.
Stay at home. I need to work now.
I have to work even harder. Come on, keep going. My children, eat your lunch before it gets cold.
Mom, what about you?
Don't worry, I already ate.
Really, Mom?
Yes, my children.
Just enjoy your food. Mom, I need money for new books. My backpack is old too. It's okay, my daughter. I'll earn some money and buy them for you. Mom, my shoes are worn out. Can I get a new pair? Of course, my son. Gotta finish this stretch tonight.
So tired, but I have to finish.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost there. Yes, finally. Here is the payment for the backpack and shoes.
Thank you, Marie. A wonderful choice.
Thank you. Sophie and Daniel will be so happy.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Ready? Let's race.
Okay, go. My turn. Here it comes. I got it. Your turn.
Daughter, this is for you.
A new backpack. Thank you, Mom.
And these are for you, my son.
New shoes. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
They're perfect. Children, study hard.
We will, Mom.
Yes, Mom. We'll work hard and make you proud. One day, you'll have good jobs and a better life.
And we'll take care of you, Mom.
We promise. Thank you, my children. Now go to sleep.
Good night, my loves.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, Mom. Sweet dreams. I have to study hard.
We can do it together.
We made it!
Our ideas are transforming the industry.
This design will change everything.
Oh, my dear children, how I miss you. You visit so rarely now. Hello, my daughter.
Hi, Mom.
I miss you very much. When will you come visit me?
Sorry, Mom. I'm very busy with work.
Even for one day?
Not now, Mom. I'll visit when I have time.
I understand. Goodbye, my love. Hello, my son.
Hi, Mom.
I miss you. Can you come visit me?
Mom, I'm very busy.
Just for a day?
My company needs me. Please don't call so often.
Oh, okay, my son.
Mom, Why are you here?
I missed you, so I came to see you.
Mom, look at your clothes.
What's wrong? My neighbors wouldn't laugh at me. Please go back home. I'll visit you later. I came a long way just to see you. Please understand, Mom. All right, my daughter.
Mom, why did you come here?
I wanted to see you, my son.
Mom, if my employees see you dressed like that, I'll be embarrassed.
Embarrassed?
Please go home.
Am I such a shame to you?
Mom, you don't understand. I have a reputation now.
I see.
I'll visit you when I have time.
It's okay, my son. Take care. I feel so weak. No one is here.
Hello? Is this her daughter?
Yes.
I'm sorry. Your mother has passed away.
What?
Yes. Your mother is gone. No, that can't be true.
I miss you, Mom.
Me too.
They'll always be with us. After she returned from the city, she cried every day. She missed both of you very much. She stopped eating and became very ill. We were wrong. She sacrificed everything for us.
She gave us food when she was hungry.
She bought our books and bags,
She bought my shoes with her last money.
and we were ashamed of her.
Mom, what
We
about
cared-
you?
Don't worry, I already ate.
New shoes!
Thank you so much. Thank you. They're perfect. And we'll take care of you, Mom.
We promise. Thank you, my children. Now
We
go
cared more about money and status than our own mother.
Mom, please forgive us.
We miss you so much.